channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look that you guys see here. And it's going to be a really quick tutorial. It's going to be with music, of course, as I tend to do, but today especially because it's raining, you guys probably hear the rain outside. My power went out earlier, so in case it does go out, that's why I want to do something very quick and simple. Well, not really simple, because this is a little bit much. I'm going to be using this Game of Cones eyeshadow palette. I did do a review on this palette here on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and link it up above in case you guys want to check it out. I did mention to you guys that this palette was all shimmer shadows, and I came up with this look here, and I really loved it, so that's why I decided to upload here to YouTube and not only my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I am doing 100 days of makeup challenge. So every single day you guys will see a video from me on my Instagram. So I'm going to put my name right over here, and also the link is going to be down in the description box. So without further ado, if you want to see how I came about this look, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I did not think that I would be able to pull off a look using this palette, because the last one that I did was a little bit more like editorial, like just for fun, because I really got into the theme of the packaging that I received with the Beauty Bakery package. It all came in really cute packaging, so I just really wanted to get in character and do something fun. So now the fun is over and I pulled off this look, and I think I am slaying, girl! I was a little bit too loud. It is 2 o'clock in the morning and my kids are sleeping, my boyfriend's sleeping. It's getting cray-cray up in here. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I've had a little bit too much to drink. Alright lovelies, I really hope that you guys did enjoy this makeup tutorial. I know it's not an everyday makeup, but I always say that to you guys. I don't like to do an everyday type of makeup because I don't wear makeup every day. And when I do wear makeup, I go all out with it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. That's if you liked my makeup. And also be sure to check out my latest videos, which are gonna be right over here, girl. and the little circle with my picture in it, right there. If you click on it, it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so, which I would really appreciate it if you stuck around because I don't get out very much and I like interacting with other people from all over the world through YouTube. Anyway, that's it, you guys. Bye!